Hello students, welcome to Robotics Era. In this tutorial, we will learn about the resistors and effect of different value resistors on the glow of an LED. So for performing this experiment, the components what we need are a battery cap, a breadboard, some different value resistors, an LED and some jumper cable. Let me revise you one more thing, that resistors are the components that reduces the flow of current. Basically, these components oppose the flow of current in order to reduce its effect. Okay, so in the earlier classes you have made a simple circuit using a resistor, in which you have seen if you are not using the resistor in a given circuit, then your LED may get fuse. So to avoid the fuse of LED, we use a resistor, and to get the different values, we also use the resistor. So first of all, we have to take this power supply cables to the breadboard, and we have to make a positive rail for an LED and negative rail for an negative terminal. Now I have to insert the resistor anywhere on the breadboard. Now take a jumper cable. I'm going to take this red jumper cable and just insert it from here to here, positive terminal of the battery, and again a negative terminal from here, anywhere from this breadboard. We can join it to directly to complete a circuit, but if we will join this negative terminal to this LED's negative terminal, then our LED may get fused, because our LED is of 3 volt and this battery is of 9 volt. So obviously the power supply to the LED will become much more, that may fuse our LED. So we will insert this to anywhere on the breadboard so that we can make the further connection using the resistors. So I'm having these different value resistors. You have to observe the different resistors and what these resistors does with an LED. Now let's take the first resistor for completing the circuit, what you have done earlier also. If we will insert it like this, then we can observe this, our circuit is complete and our LED is very bright. So if LED is very bright and we are using a resistor, then it means this this resistor is having some lesser value, that makes our LED very brighter. Okay, as you can see. Now what will happen if I use the different resistor? I'm going to put this resistor over here. Now I'm using the second resistors. Let me remind you one more thing. These color bands are used to find the values of resistor. Okay, there is a formula for finding the values. Of course, you can find the values by using multimeter also, but if you don't have multimeter, then you can find the values. Now see, I'm having a second resistors. Again, LED is glowing very brighter, but once you will do the practical, you will definitely observe this LED creates a little bit dimming effect on this LED's glow. So I'm going to rank it to the second with a little bit of more value. I'm having the third resistor with me and see its effect on the glow of LED. Yes, our LED is glowing again, but little bit of more dimming effect. Okay, I'm putting it here. Let's use the fourth fourth resistor and put it here, and see, you can see the LED is glowing again, but with a more dimming effect. It means this resistor is having obviously more value than these resistors. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to take the next resistor with me. See, if you can see, it is glowing very dim. Let me show you. See, okay. So if LED is glowing very dim, then definitely it is having a higher value than the earlier. And just see this resistor and see its effect. it will glow the LED with very dimming effect. As you can see your LED seems to be glowing but with a very dim effect. So it means this resistor is having the highest value among all these resistors. So what we can conclude that resistors are the components that creates resistance to the current. It means that opposes the flow of current, and as per their values they will show the different uh, luminance of LED, or you can say different glow of LED as per their values. So I am arranging these resistors in this manner. This is having the highest glow of LED with the lowest value, and this is the resistor with having the highest value and maximum dimming effect to the LED. So after learning this tutorial, you have to take all the resistors from your kit box, and you have to check each resistor with the glow of LED. Okay, then you have to arrange all the resistors in increasing and decreasing order. Okay, what you have to do also, you have to note down the color codes as I'm going to show you. If you will see this resistor, there is some color on it. Okay, it is having brown, black, and this golden. So you have to read this value from this side. Okay, not from the golden side. This side is brown, black, so you have to uh, take their values along with their color codes. In the next tutorial, we will learn how to find the values of resistors by using these color codes, and how to find the value of resistors by using the multimeter. I hope you understood the effect of different resistors, different value resistors on the glow of LED, and what resistor does to the circuit when they are used. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.